Now we're going to do a quick overview of each of the buttons, how they work, and what it looks like. The battery button is also a battery indicator. It will show you through the LEDs located closest to it how much charge is left. 4 lights is 100%, 3 lights roughly 75%, 2 lights roughly 50%, 1 light roughly 25%. If the light is just flashing and it's just one, your battery has low power and should be recharged. Underneath the battery indicator button that you also need to press to charge, as a reminder, there is a reset button. In order to reset the Poseidon XL, you need to hold the reset button for 10 seconds. You will then see the light cycle as all of our other devices do. Resetting the device can be used at any time, but will help if your device is having trouble charging or recharging. On the opposite side, you're going to notice a button that has a little watch with a lightning bolt through it. This is a small device mode. If your device is not being picked up or charging from the Poseidon XL normally, you may need to turn on this mode. You do so by holding down the button for 5 to 10 seconds. You will see the top LED light illuminate to know it is on. Underneath that button is a button that looks like a little watch. There is a 1 hour and 2 hour timer built into the Poseidon XL. In order to activate the timer, hold down the button for 5 to 10 seconds. The bottom LED light will turn on. If you wish to do a 2-hour timer, repeat the process. Hold down the button for 5 to 10 seconds. The bottom LED light will turn on. To stop or turn off any of the buttons, such as small device or timer mode, just hold it down for 5 to 10 more seconds and it will automatically turn off, or it will auto shut off after about 10 seconds of not receiving any output. If you have any questions regarding the Poseidon XL battery, please reach out to us by emailing support@darkenergy.com.